Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the boAt Aavante Bar 1160 Bluetooth Soundbar. You can tell that this is a very large box. You can see some information on the box. You can tell that this particular soundbar comes with a 2.25-inch dynamic driver, 4 of them in fact, and delivers 60 watts of sound. Now let's open this box and see what's inside. First we have a small box, let's keep this here. And this is the soundbar. We'll come back to it in a while. Now let's go back to the box and see what else is there. This is a user manual. Then there is a 3.5mm aux cable and a remote control. There is a warranty card as well. Let's take a quick look at the smaller box. Yes, this is the power adapter for the soundbar, and there are some more cables as well. Additionally, there are some wall mount brackets. Now let's take a closer look at the soundbar. Let's get rid of this plastic wrapper. As you can see, the boAt Aavante Bar is quite long, almost a meter long. You can see the boAt logo right at the center. It has a sleek design and a glossy finish. It is quite lightweight as well. There are also some ports at the back like the USB-A port, the power port and the coaxial port. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.